this is grab and go advice. We're flying a Spirit airline. We did the budget thing. We were looking at tickets on other airlines, and they were, one flight was like $600 per person. We've flown Spirit before and we really liked the plane, but this one is very cramped, as you can see.
Remember the other one took a while?
Stretch your knees out. So if you see that right there, and then the seats do not recline. My knees, I'm a little bit shorter, so they're right here. And their knees are right up against the seat too. As you can see. Now, this person is 6 feet tall. So for a 6 foot tall person, there's no knee room. And I'm shorter, so I do have knee room. And let's see, show the plane a little bit. And we had to pay, we didn't do the online booking with our luggage, so we had to pay more. It was $84 per suitcase, which is a small carry-on. If we would have booked the carry-on at the time of the flight, it would have only been about $30, she said, per person. This thing here is like literally right at my face. Let's see. There's like no arm room. If you see this. This is seriously like her arms. Let's see. Here's the price on here. There's soft drinks. So I don't guess they're complimentary, are they? I really do prefer flying planes where you at least get a complimentary drink. Alright, this is grab and go advice. Not too happy with the space thing here. And again, this seat feels like it's like right in my face. Spirit Airlines.